Hello students, welcome to your geography class. Topic renewable and non-renewable resources. Subtopic natural resources of Bangladesh. Before going to our today's discussion, I would like to review on our previous class very shortly. Natural resource. A natural resource is a resource which can be found in the nature. Example, air, water. Renewable resource. A renewable resource which can be used again and again and replaced by nature. Example, sunlight and water. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are natural resources that cannot be replaced after they are used. Example, coal and natural gas. That's all about our previous class. Now, I would like to discuss natural resources of Bangladesh along with non-renewable natural resources of Bangladesh. Natural resources of Bangladesh are forest resource, fisheries, water resources. Forest resources provide a source of energy in the form of fuel wood, timber, food, medicine and herbs. Fisheries. This sector has been playing a vital role in our protein shortage. About 60% of protein supply from this sector in Bangladesh. Water. Water energy forms from the movement of water. So we are also utilizing water to produce electricity in Bangladesh. Example, Kaktai hydroelectric project. Example of natural resources you can see in here. The non-renewable natural resources of Bangladesh are including natural gas, coal, ceramic clay, silica sand, limestone, hard rocks. Natural gas is used for cooking food in everyday life and as a fuel in industry. Ceramic clay, which is used for the production of crockeries and sanitary materials. Silica sand is also known as glass sand, which is used in production of glass, paints and chemical materials. Coal is found in Boropukuria, Dighipara, Fulbaria of Dinajpur and also Jamalganj of Jaipurhat. Coal is used to run the machineries and factories in Bangladesh. These are the non-renewable resources byproduct which are using as a natural gas we use for cooking our food. While you're drinking tea or coffee, you need a cup of or mug that is byproduct of ceramic clay. While you use it washing your hand, you use a basin that is also byproduct of ceramic clay. Nice, beautiful painting that is byproduct of silica sand. Now, we are recapping our today's class. Natural resources of Bangladesh are forest resource, fisheries, and water resource. The non-renewable resources of Bangladesh are natural gas, coal, ceramic clay, silica sand. Natural gas. Natural gas is using for cooking. Silica sand. Silica sand is used in production of glass, paints, and chemical materials. Ceramic clay. Ceramic clay is used for the production of crockeries and sanitary materials. Coal, which is used to run the machineries, factories in Bangladesh. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.